my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this hoe. Girl, I'm excited. I'm excited to no end. Oh my gosh, it's here. My tiny, brand new, just dropped Coach bag that WeiWei sent me. I ordered it last week. It finally has arrived. Woo! She is like freaking out. Okay, but to add insult to injury, let's talk about my scent of the day. It is a sampler, kind of more like a travel size. I picked this up on eBay, actually. I looked all around for it. My friend John and Winnie have since. We've missed a couple weeks. Last week I fell asleep. The week before that I had the baby, so I couldn't get in this room because the baby sleeps in here. So hopefully tomorrow night we will come back with that. But anyway, it's Milk by Commodity. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it smells really good. It does kind of lean a little masculine, but you know, I don't play that game. I just wear what I like, and I like this. It might be full bottle worthy. I don't know. I haven't really decided. But it is good, but it does lean a little manly. It's kind of like tonka bean. There's, to me, I get vanilla, but that's not listed in the notes. Some cedar, some amber. It's kind of sweet, milky, of course, as the name, hello, it's called Milk. But they say a lot of their scents do smell alike. I've only smelled this one. I might get into it a little bit more. But yeah, and the dry down, it is really good. I actually put it on a little earlier, and I don't know about the sillage because it's not doing too well. Performance, I just, you know, sprayed it again because it had kind of gone away on me. So it's been a couple hours since I put it on, but ooh, yes. I like it. It's kind of as if, this is so funny to me. It's kind of like someone shoved your face in a bag of marshmallows a little bit. You know what I mean? Has that ever happened to you, or am I the only one? Okay, it wasn't someone. I do it on my own. I like friggin' marshmallows. Have you guys tried the ones that have the chocolate already inside? Take all the work and the middleman out of it. Yes, please. Give me a whole bag of those. So to soothe my sugar cravings at night, instead of eating a whole piece of cake or a whole cookie, I'll have one marshmallow, which I think is 75 calories. I don't know. It's delicious. It's worth every calorie. Wearing my Topo Chico earrings. Come through, girl. Come through. My friend got me these last year for my birthday. I love, or was it Christmas? I can't remember. And then they stopped selling Topo Chico sparkling water everywhere. The bag of the day, you already know what it is. Man, is this a lot different than carrying a mini bag? I'll just tell you right now, that might be part of my back problem. I wrenched my back, but gosh. Yeah. I did wrench my back doing a little light workout with Grow with Joe this morning. Girl, that's another story I'll tell you at the end. So anyway, my Fendi tote is the bag of the day. A few people have commented on my videos when I show that you could probably get all of your mini bags in, and you're right. Maybe I'll try it one day, but God, can you imagine how heavy? But speaking of mini bags, all right, enough of the chit chat. Here we go. I got this from WeiWei. It came straight from Coach. Oh, they're making, girl, a Rogue 12. What? Okay, so let me grab, okay, I'll grab that in a minute, but I'm going to grab the bag charm one. And I sold my 17, so we really can't look at any other Rogues. But it came nicely packed. I've already taken it out and it was in tissue, nicely packed. And the tissue came in the big Coach box. All was well, but here's what we came for. Oh my God, brand new, tiny Coach. Ooh, God, I'm so excited. Y'all ready for this? What? I know. I'm freaking out too. This is the newest Rogue. And I think they make it in a jacquard too. Brand, you know, Brand that works for Coach. He's got a channel, and he also has a great Instagram page that he does all of the new Coach stuff that he finds. And oh my gosh, he got it in the jacquard. Ooh, I got it in the red, girl, the red. Let's see. Does it say? Yeah, it just says bold red. OMG. Brown handles. It comes with a brown strap-on. Girl, yes! Oh my God, I'm so friggin' excited. I don't even think I was this excited for the Fendi, was I? She's terrible. Stop buying expensive bags. These tickle the crap out of me. Okay. I just really get a kick out of these mini bags. They make me so damn happy. So inside, check it, girl. This retailed for $195, by the way. Letting y'all know, if you want to get it, contact WeiWei or your Coach SA, or go in the shop, go in the store, boutique, whatever. But I don't know if these have dropped online. If they have, of course, I will post it, but I'm not 100 on that. But it's like a canvas jacquardy-like material, but the little pockets are suede and like no, they're actually leather. I say that every time, but they're so soft. Glove-tanned leather, come through. Somebody tried to explain to me, I think it's Dawn. Dawn knows all about leathers and stuff. You bet your ass she does. I'm just kidding, Dawn. Maybe she'll like that. But look at the little tiny, oh my God. Are you excited? I'm so excited. Look at this little hang tag. Girl, what the heck? Come through, Coach. Okay, let's do, you know what we've got to do? Let me cut this tomfoolery off of here. Look at her. Okay, let's do an autumn spin on this little beauty. You ready? Love. I love this. Feet. It does have the little stamping. Genuine glove tanned leather. Genuine. Every time I say genuine, though, when I pronounce it like that, I think of the song Pony. I mean, you're horny. Let's do it. Yes. Yes, I am. Yes, let's do it. Okay. Oh my God, I'm giddy with happiness. All right, let me put the strap on. And we will see, girl. We will see. We're gonna see. Yes, we are. Oh, I'm so freaking happy. I can already tell. Big girl's gotta let this out. Ooh, yes. Oh, no. She's gotta take the plastic off of there. Sanitized for her pleasure again. Oh, you little biatches. Okay, got it. It was just that simple. Yeah, let me let it out, honey. Let me let it out. Ooh, things I've heard on Friday for the last 40 years. Okay. All right, let's let it out to the longest length. I mean, I can't make this up. I mean, this is something I just wanted to say. I'm not trying to make it sexual. It just goes there. Yeah, God, she's crazy. Okay. Thank goodness, because it was flipping out a little bit. You know what I mean? Oh, shoot. I didn't put it in the hole. Ooh, girl, get in your hole. Okay. Who was it the other day? Jessie said, stop calling your bag she. I can't. I'm sorry, Jessie. I love you, girl, but I can't do it. I cannot be stopped. My little hang tag goes away. That's a little, I want the hang tag to stay out. Girl, stay out. Okay. Now, let's see. Oh, snap. Okay, yeah, even at the longest, she's a little too, oh, yeah, she's a little too short. But y'all know I have some extenders, girl. I'll pull them extenders out and go to town. You know me. It won't hurt my feelings, not one bit. I love, and I also have a Coach brown, dark chocolatey brown. Oh wait, is this black? Wait, this might be black with some orange thread. I think it is. Oh, I'm colorblind. I cannot tell if it's really dark or it's just all the way a black. I don't know. Oh well, anyway, I'll try it out later, but I do have some longer strap-ons, so we're good to go. Y'all know I got a closet full of them, girl. Real straps and otherwise, you already know. Okay, let me grab my little tiny bag charm rogue that I bought last year around fall. Ta-da! Okay, yes. So here's the bag charm. They say this is 12 centimeters, which is what, like 4 inches, I guess? It's like 4 inches across here, maybe a little more than 4 inches. I mean, this has to be like 2.5 then. Because it's really tiny, tiny, but oh my gosh, how friggin' cute. You know what I need to wear? I need to wear like this one down here, and then, oh my god, that's too much. That's overkill. That's like my little Louis Vuitton set. Like, no. But God, I'm so excited. But I just wanted you to see the difference between the actual, what they called the bag charm last year, the Rogue bag charm. And they still have some. I'll link them if they do. But I think it's like pink or something right now, or dusty rose or something. Oh, I love it. I am so excited. What will fit in here? I mean, anything I want. Like my little doodad went in there. My little milk commodity. I don't really have small things. She's not small, girl. Already know that. But here's, like, to give you some frame of reference, like, here's the clay. And, you know, it's almost, well, it is almost exactly the same length as that. So putting this in here is, you know, it's not going to work. Definitely won't fit a phone or anything, but, you know. Let's see, my Bastia. Woo! No. I got all excited for nothing. It's just, well, yeah, it will. It actually will. So my Bastia, I'm sure my keys will go in there. This will not. Wah, wah. So, you know, cash. If I had any, I'd show you. Here's a lippy. I wonder if this lippy will go in here too. Yeah, it'll go in. Get in your hole, girl. Yeah. So, not much. But I was very limited on space. And I did, guys. I wore this as a tiny, tiny bag flex last year. I totally did. I don't care. So, you have to know, she will carry this all over and around and everything. It's going to be worn. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for checking out my tiny, tiny Rogue today from Coach. Just dropped. Like I said, I'll put WeiWei's information if you want to get in touch with her for one, and I think it comes in another color, but we didn't get that far. If it's on the website, I'll post it. I'll put the Coach website down below and you can search around. Oh my God, I love it. I absolutely love this. I do not know what's coming up this weekend. Let me think. I thought I was going to do a tag. Yeah, Rochelle tagged me in a video called FOMO bags. I have FOMO that I purchased because of FOMO, and that's gonna be a short video because it's basically all these bags. That's just me. I'm always like, oh my God, I'm scared. Get it. Okay. All right, guys, I hope you have a great rest of the week. I will see you back here this weekend. Please hit the subscribe, hit the like, comment down below what you think about this little biznatch. And also, yeah, if y'all see my husband, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. This story, it's not that big of a deal. As I said in the video, I've wrenched my back. Girl, and I've been working out for a long, long time. I've been telling y'all that. Some weight training, and I do Grow with Joe. If y'all ever get on YouTube and see her, she does a lot of videos, has like tons of subscribers. She's great. She's great. But today she was doing this little exercise. You can go find the video. It was like a 12-minute, you know, I guess for your core. And she does this little thing that I forget I'm 53 and old, you know, and big girl. So I just think, oh yeah, hell, I'll do it. And it was like a little step back and then a kick out, step back. And when I stepped back, I felt it, girl. I felt it go. And I was like, oh, step back too much. So I've been trying to do 2 of her like shorter ones. She has some long ones. That's what she said. But she does have some long videos, but I've been doing the little short ones. You'll never hear me say that again, Biosh. But yeah, the other day, Bill came in, and of course he, you know, was lounging around taking a nap, and I was in the middle of one, and I mean, it wore me out, girl. It wore me out, and I can't do all the jumping, but it wore me completely out, and I sat down and was like, you know, it was pouring the sweat. I was like, oh God, if I start talking crazy, like, call an ambulance, I'm probably having a stroke. He said, babe, you've been talking crazy for a long time. Get ready, let's go. I was like, just sit down over there and take your nap and shut up over there, Tiger Bomb. We don't need to hear from you. Oh, I can hardly lean in. Bitch, come through, pain meds and alcohol. Just kidding. Sort of. Bitch. Oh. Oh my God, girl. I'm gonna scoot myself over rather than scoot the whole fucking operation. Shit.